Warning, the following video shows what happens when an idiot has a camera. Viewer discretion is advised. J.J. Abrams and Ryan Johnson were not involved in the making of this video. Any anger or dissatisfaction felt is purely coincidental.
They thought there was no solution to the squeaks and rattles from their doors. They thought wrong. A lot of BMW owners are frustrated with their rattling, low-quality BMWs. Well, they're not exactly low quality, but their doors do squeak/rattle. And I tried to fix it many times in many ways, and so did the dealer, and so have many of you. But I have found the solution, and let me show you what it was. The solution was the felt. That's right, everybody. It wasn't the rubber seals. It wasn't the door surrounds. It wasn't any silicone or any other stuff that they tell you about on forums. It is the felt. And how did we solve it? Very simply, we put some fairy liquid, some soap liquid, on a microfiber cloth, and we rubbed it into the felt. We rubbed it good. We rubbed it again and again. And I don't know if that lubricated the felt or if that just cleaned it very well. But in the end, the rattles and the squeaks stopped, and now I finally like the car. Because before it was rattling and I didn't like it. Hope you learned something.
No idiots were harmed during the making of this video.